Hey guys, if your Firestick menu button is not working, then watch this video until the end to figure out easy and quick solutions for your problem. Here I have created this table to help you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve your problem. So let's start. Number 1. Check the batteries. Remove the batteries from the remote. Then replace them with new, high quality alkaline batteries. Ensure the batteries are correctly inserted and oriented. Restart the Fire Stick. Unplug the Fire Stick from its power source. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn on the TV. Step 3. Repair the remote. Hold the home button on the remote for 10 seconds. On your remote, this is your home button. Once you find the home button, click and hold it for 10 seconds until the pairing successful message appears on the screen. After that, test the menu button. Step 4. Clean the remote. Turn off the remote by removing the batteries. Use a soft, dry cloth or brush to clean around the menu button. Then ensure no debris is obstructing it. Step 5. Reset the Fire Stick remote. Hold the back, menu and left directional buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Let me show you these buttons. On your remote, this is your left directional button, this is your menu button, and this is your back button. You have to press these three buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then release the buttons and wait for 30 seconds. Then repair the remote by holding the home button for 10 seconds. Step 6. Test the remote on another Fire Stick. Pair the remote with another Fire Stick. Test the menu button functionality on the second device and determine if the issue is with the remote or the Fire Stick. Check for Fire Stick software updates. On your Fire Stick, open Settings, then choose My Fire TV. Select About, then check for updates using the navigation buttons. If updates are available, install them. Once installed, restart the Fire Stick and now test the remote. Step 8. Use the Fire TV application as a temporary remote. You can download the Amazon Fire TV application from Google Play Store, or you can also download it from App Store. Once downloaded, open the application and connect the application to your Fire Stick. Then use the app to navigate and test menu button functions. Step 9. Replace the remote. You can purchase a replacement Fire Stick remote from Amazon or a trusted retailer. Then pair the new remote by holding the home button for 10 seconds. Now test the new remote. That's it guys. Thank you.